Hello students, welcome to this question number 27 which was asked in the GATE 2021 mathematics. What is the question number 27 is, you can see that this is of the 2 marks here, but if you get a wrong answer you will deduct a minus 2 by 3. But you can see very simple concepts are there. Within a 1 minute's question, within 1 minute's time you can get easily 2 marks are there. What is that? You have to find this whether they are true or false about these two statements related to this partial differential equation. So what is that? Whenever there is a question about the partial differential equation, that is the part of this classification of this PD. And how you can classify the PD, we will see in this very interesting task are there. Myself, Dr. Garg, you can simply follow this link for finding these various previous years. Now, whenever there is a partial differential equation of like this way and you are talking about this parabolic, hyperbolic, elliptical are there, you always try to compare the partial differential equation with the help of here. Plus y plus and so on is nothing but here, whether it's a r and so on. So your target is always to find this value, b square minus 4ac. And when you can substitute as a 0, then it will be the parabolic, because we are talking about the parabolic are there. And if it is a less than 0, we will call as the hyperbolic. Whenever it's a greater than 0, we will call as the elliptical are there. So now based on this simple concept, we will check which one will satisfy. Now compute the b square minus 4ac. So what is that? What is the b square is 16 minus 4, a is nothing but my 1, c is nothing but my here. So you can see I can open this bracket for simplification. This is nothing but my here. Now for the first part, it's the parabolic. For parabolic, it must be the 0. So once it will be the 0, you can solve them. You can see this is nothing but my x square by 4 plus y square upon 1 is equal to 1. So is it true? Yes. It means this is my correct option. When it will be the hyperbolic, when it is a less than 0. So it means 16 minus 4x square minus 16y square is less than 0. What is the meaning of that? Again, x square by 4 plus y square upon 1 is must be less than of 1. That's the meaning of this. So now what is the meaning of the less than? That's the inside. So this means this is the hyperbolic when this will have the inside. It means this is also the correct. So both P and Q are my correct options. So the right answer is my A. So you can see that what you can do is you have to simply remember this classification. So we will call this as a classification of the partial differential equation. So you can see within a 1 minute, you can remember this, you will get a 2 marks in a very simple manner. We will see next question in our next one are there. So till then you can simply share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.